Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my look shades of purple that I created using my Morphe 39S such a gem palette. I really love purple, that's my favorite color. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and please follow me on my social media, like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment, let me know what other looks you might want to see me do. I have some colorful looks coming up, a pink look, tie-dye look, possibly a butterfly, and of course my sister's coming to visit me, so I'm gonna have to give her a makeover as well. Anyways, hope you guys like this look and keep on watching. All right, let's get started. First, I'm going to take my LA Pro Concealer White Highlighter Base from my base today. I'm just going to apply that onto my lids. What do y'all think of my hair? I got a lot of compliments. And I'm just going to take this blending brush from Pro Techniques and blend that into my lid. Yeah, because it doesn't make sense for me to flat iron my hair when it'd be really poofy at the top of my roots and I can't really get it as straight as at the shop. So I figure, why not just wear it curly? Just roll it up before I go to bed. This palette is so heavy, oh my god. Anyway, purple Morphe palette. It's on sale for 20 bucks. I'm going to take this purple shade right here with using my Luxie blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that as my transition shade. And I'm just building up the color. Next, I'm going to take this dark plum shade here, and I'm going to use a smaller crease brush and just apply that into my crease and pack it onto my outer V. So far, I like this palette, and these colors are blendable and intense, and they last all day without creasing. Boy, hush! Next, I'm going to take this shimmery purple here, and using my NYX glitter glue first, I'm going to apply that onto my crease. So this NYX shade that I use sticks better. Now I'm going to use this purple mixed with that for my lid shade. And I also use my finger to furthermore blend it in. Apply it to my lid. It seems like it goes on better with my finger than using a brush. I'm just trying to make sure I have it evenly on my lid. And I'm using both of those colors. Then I'm just going to blend out my edges using the colors that I used previously. Next, I'm going to take my Starlit Studio Stars Align liquid eyeliner for my wing today. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Super Shock eyeliner for my waterline, and this one is blue. Then I'm going to take those same shades that I used previously to smoke out my lower lash line, both of the purples that I have in my transition and in my crease. And I also use that dark purple too. Right, now I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. And I misplaced this brush yesterday. I don't know what I did with it. That's the shade I'm using right there. Then I'm gonna use my Thrive Cosmetics mascara for my lashes. I'm not gonna do that on camera today. Then I'm gonna take my Kiss glitter eyeliner that I got from the beauty supply and just outline my wing. Just the top part. Kind of messed up my wing a little bit, so I was trying to cover it up with glitter anyway. So you can't really tell that it's not even right there. I'm going to take my fan and dry that down, because sometimes when I put my glitter and if I look up, it ends up in my crease and I don't want it there today. So here's my favorite lip gloss, NYX Cosmic Mellow NYX Cosmic Meadows Asteroid Aura. I love this, but this shit stains your lips too. I always have to take some Vaseline and let it sit on my lips afterwards, because if I just use micellar water, my lips still look a little pink. Same thing with my Fuchsia Fusion. Doesn't do it with my bronze though, just this one in the pink, which is weird. Then I took some of that purple that I used on my lid and just applied a little bit on my lips. This shade right here, like lilac or something. Then I'm going to spray my face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. How are you guys doing with this quarantine, my kids? Whew. That's them you can hear in the background now with their games all loud and everything. And I'm just going to use my fan again. And there you have it. Here's the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm so glad I bought this palette. Thank you, Taryn, for convincing me to buy it. Love you guys so much. Hope you guys are being safe with the shelter in place. And I will see you guys in my next video, which is my dramatic pink look. Love you guys. Bye.